Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Guide. In this demo, we going to learn how to move master database in a SQL Server. How to move SQL Server master database file. Moving master database file is a bit different process. Steps to move SQL Server master database file. First step, modify the master data file new location from SQL Server Services properties. Once you modify the master data file, stop the SQL services. Then move the physical file of the master database to new location. After moving the physical file of the master database, start SQL services. After starting SQL services, perform the DB health check and verify the master data file. Let's connect with SQL Server to show you how to move SQL Server master database files. Connect a SQL Server from SQL Server Management Studio. I am going to connect prod_b and to get the current location of the master database file, run the following query. Let's run this query. So this is the current path for the master data files like master MDF and master LDF file. This is the current path. So we need to move master database files to new location, which is D drive SQL database system DB. One thing you need to be note, we cannot change this path with alter database command. It can be changed in a SQL Server Configuration Manager. So let's connect SQL Server Configuration Manager. From SQL Server Configuration Manager, SQL Server prod B, right click on and go to Properties, go to Startup Parameter and click on D. Here you need to be update new file location. So new file location is D drive. From C I am going to move D drive. After this D, you have to change okay. So this is the new location -D. Okay, D drive SQL database system DB master MDF. Okay, update. Now go to log file update, go to it -I. Okay, and here you change for log file. Okay, so for log file D drive SQL database system DB master .ldf. Okay, update it. Okay, now apply. After changing, any change will be saved. However, they will not take effect until the services is stopped and restarted. Okay, click on OK. Okay. Now stop the services. Yes, stop it. You can see that SQL instance prod underscore B services is stopped. Now next step to move the master and LDF files to its new location, which is D drive. So go to C drive program file. You can see here C program file Microsoft SQL Server MS SQL 15. Okay, go to Microsoft SQL Server MS SQL 15 prod B MS SQL, go to data, and here master and MS master log file. Copy it and move to new location, which is in D drive SQL database system DB, and put here files. Now you can see, now I have moved master and master log file in a new drive D SQL database system DB. After moving the file successfully, now next step, go to SQL Server Configuration Manager and start the SQL services. You can see that the instance SQL Server Services prod underscore B successfully restarted. Now connect the instance from SQL Server Management Studio. Go to File, Connect prod underscore B. You can see I have connected successfully, and you can see master database is up and running fine. Now next step to let's verify it. You can see that master and master log and master MDF file successfully moved to new location D drive SQL database. And you can perform some check on a master database. You can check SQL error log, and you can perform like you can go table and you can query the some of the tables, like select the from this dot databases. You can see I am able to query from master database also. So it means my health check is successfully, and I am able to move successfully master database. If you want, you can update window registry also to avoid patching update and failure. So thanks for watching SQL guide. Please share, subscribe and like.